Welcome to Occam's Razor's Garden, cooking and canning, where we check on the daily progress for the garden. And here we have our raspberry bush, still slowly coming to flower. Yesterday didn't get past 20 degrees Celsius. So the growth is a little slow. Wow. But not for this plant. Not for these potatoes in the compost pile. Let's go down and have a look. Go down and have a look, see what's happening here. Oh yeah. Well, looks like they managed to bury themselves down in some of the loose crap that was thrown on there. It's amazing. Potatoes by the end of June, perhaps. All right, our peonies are all opening one at a time. Yeah, this will become extra food for the pepper plant down below. And other plants are still growing happily. Same 6 flowers from yesterday. Wow. Was this 3 days now? 3 days for peonies. And our tiny little pepper pots. All still slowly coming along. This one here that started to flower. Okay. Are you going to be the first one with a pepper? Probably. Oh, this flower seems more along. Go, sunflower reaching for the sun. Let's go down to the other peonies. They're doing all right. Yep, this one's reached the end of its life. The ants are all still in there. Now, how's our beans? Every time a new one comes up, it gets attacked. Well, we've had a few more come up. Like this one here, next to the other one that just won't live. These ones come up and got attacked. Oh, this one's making a run for it. Good for you. So is this one with a few little side growths. I need to look for them yet. The north-facing ones are doing a little better. Oh yeah, that one's giving up the ghost completely. Alright, our potato plants. I think I might have to come out here and give them a little bit of water before it gets too warm. Not that it's going to get too warm today, again. As the ice age slowly creeps back upon us. You know, the earth has been longer between ice ages right now than it has been geologically, according to records, which means we're due. The monitor minimum of the sun is upon us, and the temperatures continue to drop slightly each year. Maybe we'll put up that diagram right here. Yeah, and look at these, just coming along just fine. And our peas. Oh, more flowers for the peas. And our onions are just slowly. Just keep your time. Just grow as slow as you want. It's not like I'm at a need for onion shoots. And garlic shoots. They're bloody everywhere. Let's see here. Just like eating la ciboulette. Ooh, garlic breath first thing in the morning. And the rest of our squashes. Still just a little bit of growth from yesterday due to the cool temperatures. And our peas, our other peas. So last year I just grew peas right here. And I had basically a handful of peas, fresh peas, to go in salads for about, 3 weeks. So looking forward to a little more. And our sage is just blooming. Beautiful purple flowers. And our other squash bed, glad to see no obvious critter destruction today. All right, let's go make our way to the front. And we'll show you the destruction there. And here we are in the front. Now I said destruction because one pumpkin plant did not make it. Looks like a critter came around, decided it was not worthy of existence anymore. Yep, milkweed, called it. Okay, you gotta go. Sorry about the finger. Oh no, look at you. Really? See? Another sunflower cut off at the stem. Why? Well, let's see if you make it. So just down to 2 sunflowers here. Our 2 squashes down there making it. This one's still alive. And this one, keep growing, buddy. No, I think your stem might just finally be big enough for critters not to kill you. You're gonna make it. But our other squash that was in the corner, gonzo. There's its remnants. Not impressed. It is what it is. And our morning glories continue to grow. Slowly climbing. And our bird shit berry bush. I really got to come in here and remove these These are just an annoyance. These things here, one purpose only: to catch my clothes and scratch the shit out of me as I try to get in there and get the berries. Because they're not buried. Look at this. It's the defense mechanism of this plant. And we're getting quite the harvest. Yeah. All right, well, that concludes this morning's wrap-up. We've lost a couple of plants. We'll see how we do tomorrow. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.